Okay, in today's video we are looking at nuclear fusion. So we know that loads of energy comes from the sun to heat and light the earth. And today we can look at that process which releases energy within the sun, and it's called fusion. Fusion because it's to do with fusing or combining two things together. And what are those things? Well, they happen to be two hydrogen atoms which fuse together to form helium. And that process of sticking these two hydrogen atoms together releases lots of energy. So why? I want you to imagine that you had a tiny mini mass balance that was capable of measuring the mass of these atoms. First, you measure the mass of the two hydrogen atoms, and then you measure the mass of the helium that they form. And then you should find something a little bit weird. The mass of the two hydrogen atoms combined is smaller than the mass of the helium atom. So what happened to that mass? It hasn't just disappeared off into the ether. What's actually happened is that mass has been converted to energy, which I know sounds very bizarre, but it's true. And it's where the infamous equation E is equal to mc squared comes from. You don't need to worry about Einstein's equation for your exams. Phew. So if we could replicate this process on Earth, then we could get lots and lots of energy. And it's energy without releasing fossil fuels. So basically, we could save the Earth from global warming, and I reckon Greta would be oh so pleased with us. So what's the catch? Well, it turns out replicating this process on Earth is hard. And you thought physics was hard? This is really hard. And this is why. Those two hydrogen that I need to fuse together, yeah, they don't want to be fused. Because in order to do that, I need to bring those two protons in the hydrogen nuclei together to form the helium nucleus. And two positively charged things don't want to be anywhere near each other. You get a large amount of electrostatic repulsion. And in order to overcome that repulsion, well, you need very high temperatures and very high pressures, which are exactly the conditions that we get in our sun. So that's what some very, very clever people are working on at the minute. And so far, it's not economically viable. Although it does seem like the tide may be changing there, so watch this space. And then the Earth can benefit from some real star power. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you found that useful. If you like the video, please give us a like and subscribe. Make sure to download the notes in the description below. Thanks for watching.